Hi guys, for today's video, I will show you how to fix this support code SS06 on Snapchat. So if you encounter this kind of error you've experienced on Snapchat, so we'll be considering all the basic troubleshooting for this one. Like we'll need to wait 15 to 30 minutes and try back log in or check your Wi-Fi connection if you're connected to a Wi-Fi. And after waiting for 30 minutes and still you encounter this kind of error on Snapchat, we need to go to settings to check the application. So right now we need to go to our phone settings and then for Android look for your storage. So I must go to about device and then I click storage and then next the application and look for the Snapchat. So click Snapchat and then you must clear this one, this cache, clear cache or must and if ever after clearing this one try to log back in on Snapchat and still you encounter that kind of issue, the support code SS06, try to uninstall the app and reinstall it back in and then try to log it back in again. And if ever you forgot your password, just click forget your password and you'll be routed to two options like for a verifications via mobile phone number or via email that is connected to your Snapchat. And that's it, your Snapchat account will be reactivated or you'll be able to log back into your Snapchat account. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and update.